Hi everyone, welcome to my project. My name is Lydia. I'm a student at Triple Ten, and this is my web application. This application is a real web application that helps users decide what to wear based on current weather condition. So this application fetches real-time uh, weather data and suggests appropriate clothing item for users' wardrobe. So, as I said, it fetches live weather data using OpenWeather API. So it helps the user to choose the clothing item based on the weather at the present time, whether it's hot, cold, or warm. So users can add, view, or delete clothing items on this application. So the weather can change, can the weather on this application can change to Celsius to Fahrenheit. So I'm going to demonstrate the I'm going to show you how the this application works. So this is the home page. When we click, no, this is I was working on the profile page. So when you open to my application, it will bring you to the home page. This is the home page of my application. At the home page, we have at the header, we have this is the avatar of the user, and this is the name of the user, and this is a button to add clothing item. When you click here, it will bring us to the model, which help us to add clothing items. You add the name, the link, and you choose the weather condition at that moment. So when we add it, it will be at the background with other clothing items. So we close the model here, and this way we have the logo. This is the logo of my application. WT WTWR, what to wear. So this is the current date, and we also have the city of the user. This is the weather card. We have this is the weather 40 40 degree Fahrenheit. So we can change the weather to Fahrenheit or to Celsius. Where we have to talk it here. This button help us to change from Fahrenheit or to Celsius. So this is the weather display. Today is 5 degrees Celsius. You may want to wear. So we choose the weather. The user is able to choose the type of clothes to wear from here. So if you click on here, it will bring us to the wider view of the clothing item, and we can delete it here. When you open here, it will ask us, do you want to delete? So we delete it here, and we're able to close it. So now we are going to navigate to the profile page by clicking here. So when we click here, we click on this the name of the user. It will take us to the profile page. So this is the profile page. You see there's a difference. On the profile page, we don't have the weather card, and we can see there is still avatar. There's an avatar here, and the name of the user. We still have it at the header here, and we have it here at the sidebar. This is called the sidebar. At the sidebar here, we have the avatar of the user and the name of the user. And here we can still add clothing items. This is a button. This button help us to add the clothing item. If you click on it, will bring us to the same model that will help us to add the name of the clothing item, the link, and choose the weather type. So we close it here, and here on the profile page. These clothing items are arranged in order. They are arranged in order. Just like in the home page, we can change the weather to Fahrenheit or to Celsius. And here when we click also, it will open the wider view of the clothing item, and the same will do the same as we do it on the main the home page. So this is my application. Here it said it's developed by Lydia now, and this is the year in which the application, which is 2025, this year that this application is developed. So this is my application. If you want to go back to navigate back to the main page, the home page, we click here on the logo, it will take us to the main page. So in this application, I use at the front end, I use React.js with React router for navigation. While at the back end, I use JSON server for RESTful API simulation. For styling, I use CSS with BEM methodology. And I also use API integration. That is, I use OpenWeather API for weather data. So I also use React hooks like use state, use effect, and use context. So, like I said, at the main page, I described the main page to you that the main page displays current weather and recommended clothing items. So we also you can add the clothing items at the home page, just like we can do it at the uh, profile page. So the profile page, it helps the user's clothing are arranged in order or in category. So this is my thank you all for watching my the presentation of and the demonstration of my project. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.